Today we're going to replace the front tire on a 2010 Harley Davidson Electra. I want to hold the weight of the tire. I'm using rock climbing straps to go around the handlebars. Make sure the jack is high enough to get clearance. Be careful with the speedometer cable. For the 2010, this is a 15/16. This is a 15/16, and because this is really tight, I'm going to double wrench it. Be careful not to slip. I like to hold this stable and then see how that works. Double wrenching. These gear wrenches are precision tools. Never use this to break a bolt loose. I'm using a 1/2 inch. Release on one side, the other side will become easier. Pay attention to this cap. The out goes to the outboard side. As we are pushing this through, there's a pushing on the other side we need to be cognizant of. As I'm pushing, I put it back on. It keeps these lines on the right side, the way the manufacturer installed this. Try to get this out. And this will work to hold the weight for now, until I get tired back in the shop. I like to wire brush threads. Take a rag, wipe them. I'm using this to hold the weight. Make sure the pin is facing outward. A little bit of anti-seize on the inside of the bearing. Just a little bit on the other side as well. You want to make sure the brake pads are open so the rotor will fit. Time so you can see from this side. Take the spacer, 2 lines outboard, put the spacer in here, then put the axle through, and we go to the other side and line it up. whole thing's spinning now. This is personal preference. In case there's problems or anything, I just want this easy to access. If I have to stick a screwdriver in there to hold it, I want to make sure it's even on both sides as I tighten it. And a good way to do this is to use a feeler gauge back and forth. According to the manual, I want to tighten that axle nut before I tighten this. The manual says between 60 and 65 pounds. I'm going to put this number 4 screwdriver on the other side to make sure that axle does not move while I tighten. So as I tighten these, I can take a feeler gauge and check each side to make sure I'm tightening it even. Check, check, tighten, tighten, check, check. It's just a way to make it even. Try not to let the brake caliper dangle. How I put the caliper on is I bring it down low and then I slide it up into place. Between 28 and 38 foot-pounds. When storing torque wrenches, set them at 0.